You don't know. Bussweh in the place.
King 187 says smash that like button.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yo,
You
today
don't
we're in
know.
Kingston.
Alright.
We'll get some steps.
Yeah.
Do some droning.
Yeah.
Get some shooting.
Alright.
Bare things are dead.
What you mean? And a patrol there.
Yo, Patola Kingston Devon. But
Yeah,
yo,
you know.
pre the shots in we'll get.
Yeah.
Some of the greatest thing you ever see.
Some bad drone footages. Today we use the Mavic Pro. Big up DJI.
Big up King 1876 owner of the Maverick Pro.
What
you mean? What
The
you mean?
patrol big up.
Swerve!
Yo!
Channel.
So yeah, just look out for some nice footages. In a 3 and 2 and
as a drone enthusiast, you need to always have safety first. Don't play with your drone. You see, when you have it, don't leave it in the car. Pray this.
yeah. Safety first.
Don't leave your things in the car.
Especially at Jamaica.
You come back and have a drone. You good enough have a car. Facts.
I get some liquid because King said the second tip should be stay hydrated. I say yo that have nothing to do with drone, but him say yo stay hydrated so.
Water. Not water.
So King have the Mavic Pro, isn't me? And me have the Phantom 3 Pro. Yeah, this is it. There's no camera on it. So I'm literally just gonna fly this shit for the fun of it because it still can fly. So any footage you see me use are the Mavic Pro 2, Mavic Pro from
King 1876 or Kingston Digital. Shit, 876 Digital. Let's cut that wall.
I don't even know the fuck
Let's
you
cut
must
that wall something.
I hear man say I'm out there like daddy one. Alright, so we'll just pull up a Palisades. One of the important tips them I will left out is this. Make sure your drone battery them always fully charged. Because here what? See drone battery, they're weak. Make sure the remote charge, fully charged. And your battery them fully charged. See me? Be careful, make sure you fly to places where it's not too windy because the wind can take control and like cause your drone for like override and damage, eventually damage, isn't it? So just be careful.
God! So the title for this video is the day Bussweh lost his drone. The day Bussweh.
It's still on.
Yo, man, a propeller there now, bro. Yo, the thing go out of the ear, spin and crash.
Basically, fuck up.
Did you see that?
All him there do a laugh, you know. I say it go more while, man. I say you know you're bridging them. So so I have to get myself a new drone, you see me, so I don't know if
My
nobody
Patreon account.
want to sponsor me. Yeah, I start a GoFund, so I put the link below. Anybody want to buy me a drone, and every week I give them like drone clips, you see me? But yeah, I fucked it up. Hey, them, I put another trunk? Yeah, they're another trunk.
And somebody on the sidewalk.
So yeah, just bear in mind the tips them and just don't do what me do.